Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I got a weird one for you. This is a Victorinox gift set. And the two things that come with it, one, which is probably not a surprise, is a Victorinox Swiss Army knife, in this case a Spartan. The other one is a set of Simmons binoculars. So, yeah, let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so let me get it out of open this thing up. So you get a big old Victorinox tin. And you get some binoculars and a Swiss Army knife. Now, let's take all this stuff out. So you get this, and there's some instructions for the binoculars, which, I don't know, could stay in there, I guess. And you get a Swiss Army knife. Now, this is kind of a weird looking Swiss Army knife, I think. The reason I say it's weird looking is it's got that on it. It's got like a little faux diamond ruby thing going on, and that little design. Now, this is just a normal traditional Spartan. Not really anything like earth-shattering or surprising, except for the weird scale on the front. It has the normal tools. It's a regular Spartan, not like a Spartan Plus or anything. And you have the corkscrew and the awl. And you also... But yeah, that's kind of weird, that part. So y'all, so you can see. That's kind of a weird little scale decoration. I swear I've seen this particular scale decoration before, and I'm wondering where I saw it before. So you got that, and then you also get a set of binoculars. Now, I don't know how amazing these Simmons binoculars are, but they're binoculars, I guess. You know, there we go. 7 by 25 binoculars. I don't know. Kind of interesting. The main thing is, like, that's a weird looking Swiss Army. Like, the scales on that Swiss Army knife are just unusual. I don't know really much more to say about this particular set, except there's a bunch of lint, it looks like. So, anyway, kind of interesting. I don't know how particularly earth-shattering it is, but it's one of those weird, random Swiss Army knife gift sets. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.